Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us work on this integer question. We are supposed to find the value of minus 1 in the bracket minus 5 plus minus 8. For the integer, we know that negative multiplied by negative, we get positive. Positive multiplied by positive, we got positive. Minus multiplied by positive, we got negative. And positive multiplied by negative, we get negative. That is, if we are multiplying the same sign, we get positive. And if we're multiplying the different sign, we get negative. Now let us do our question. We are going to start by open this bracket by multiplying minus 1 multiplied by minus 5. Negative multiplied by negative, we get positive. That is going to be 5 plus, in the bracket, we have minus 8. Let us combine this sign and get the single sign by multiplying them. That is positive multiplied by negative. We are going to get negative. So 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8, we get the answer equal to minus 3. I hope you understand this integer question. For more questions on integers, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.